My name is Baron Castor, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Demox Labs, the team behind the Aleo wallet, and I'm excited to share what we've been working on for the past few months, which is ZK NFTs. We're bringing NFTs to Aleo that leverage the full power of zero knowledge proofs to either show or hide information based on whatever the user wants to do. In order to do this, we built out 4 key things. The first of which is the ZK NFT token standard. So we built out the actual smart contract that allows ZK NFTs to work on Aleo. So far, it is the most forked and most popular smart contract within the Aleo ecosystem. It also has the most Aleo instruction functionality that we continue to add to, and I'll share more on that in a second. But we didn't just want to launch the token standard, we want to showcase what it would actually look like. So we launched Privacy Pride, which is the first ZK NFT collection and has become the largest and most popular, bringing in tens of thousands of people to Aleo's ecosystem. But we realized we didn't want to have the only ZK NFT collection. We want to make it really easy for anyone, especially non-devs, to launch their own. So we launched a low-code ZK NFT creation platform called Art Factory that allows anyone to create their own ZK NFTs. And it's already been used dozens of times. Lastly, we want it to be really easy to view and interact with your ZK NFTs. So we have a fully integrated experience within the Aleo wallet where you can view and interact with all of your ZK NFTs seamlessly. So let's dig into them. First, the token standard. We added brand new functionality to Aleo that allows you to privately authenticate whether you're part of a party or not based on what you're holding in your wallet, but you don't have to do any on-chain actions. So you retain full anonymity. This is really powerful, and we're excited about the potential, especially for the broad spectrum of identity products. Also, we wanted to leverage the full power of privacy, so you can do private or public mints and hold your NFT in private or public state. We also added this additional Aleo instruction smart contract functionality, and we're going to continue to do more here. So diving into how we actually used it, we launched Privacy Pride, the NFT collection, which we're really excited that the Aleo ambassadors, Aleo employees, and broader Aleo ecosystem has been incredibly supportive of. And we're excited to have you as a continued part of the Privacy Pride community. The first ZK NFT, but definitely not the last. And if you click here, it'll take you to Art Factory, our low-code ZK NFT creation platform, where you follow these simple step-by-step instructions to launch your own collection. And for those who are more technically minded, you can go to Program Walkthrough V4, and you'll see our fully annotated code to help better understand what's happening under the hood and if you want to make any changes. After all of this, you'll have your own website, both the backend admin dashboard for setting up your NFT collection, as well as the customer-facing mint page. Any ZK NFTs that are launched with our token standard or using Art Factory automatically show up in your Aleo wallet with all of the metadata and the ability to send and switch between public and private state at will. We're really excited about the progress so far, and so is the broader community. We've seen tens of thousands of people coming to the Aleo ecosystem ever since we launched ZK NFTs, and people continue to clamor for more, and we're excited to bring it through to mainnet. Now, one of the reasons we're excited about ZK NFTs isn't just to have NFTs, but it's all of the new potential that is unlocked with Aleo's capabilities. The things we talked about with private authentication, private state, and these things are very cool, but they can be very complex topics. So we've done our best to try to make it as simple of an interface as possible and really explain things, both on the developer side and the user side, so people can tap into this powerful functionality. And we've made a ton of improvements, but we're not stopping. We're going to continue to improve the ZK NFT token protocol, token program, and more over time. And these are just some of the features that we're going to be adding. So thank you so much who's already participated in the Privacy Pride, and we're excited to continue building together as part of this community and marching towards mainnet later this year. Thank you so much.